Lost my mother a few months before the opportunity arose to go into politics. And she'd always worked very, very hard for community and for Wales. So losing her made me realise that the time to talk, the time to think had to come to an end, and that it had become a time to take action. When you lose somebody close to you, and that makes you see the world in a different way. Yeah, I know you've had a look at what we've put together with Welsh businesses. We need to help small businesses through getting their business rates.
It's confident, it's ambitious,
we need to invest more public money with Welsh companies, give more contracts to Welsh companies. These are some of the ideas that can form the start of a new chapter in Wales's economic history. Change that culture within Wales, bring that confidence back, bring that joint ambition back, that we can go places if we put our minds to it.